If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hi folks, well, another day, another dollar, another pen, another mail call. So let's get right down to it and let's see what's in this package. I kind of know what's in the package, so we're going to see what they look like when they're out of the package. There we go. Here we go. And here we not go. So, ink, and more ink. Okay. And more ink. Wow. And more ink. Ink. Wow. Ink. No, that's not ink. And a lot of ink, right? Yeah. Well, this will complete when I do the ink review of the other inks that I've done for this company called the
Carcos.
Yeah, I found the inks to be very interesting. They look really nice. And talking about affordable, yes, will they damage your pens? Not that I know of yet, because I've been using them religiously for, I don't know, over a month. I left the ink in there. They behave real well on paper. So I think pretty much this is a pretty much given, unless you hook up with name brand. So that's, it's your money. So that's that. Now, last but not least, this, my friends, is a light. Not just any light, but a bike light. And I got this for a buddy of mine. Looks pretty cool. It goes on the back of the bike, I believe in the back of the back seat. It hooks on, and then however it comes on, well, I think he'll know more about it than I do. So that's that. And real quick, Sunday, tomorrow the 24th, just a reminder for those who can, on Zoom at 11 a.m. Central Time, I'm having the gentleman from Click Fountain Pens on Zoom as my guest. So if you don't have any plans and nothing to do and you want to hang out, come check it out and be able to meet the gentleman that's behind the Click pen movement, and you can interact and just have a nice time. Until then, peace and a lot of love to you. God bless. Take care. Bye-bye.